the aftermath of doing my makeup. Hi everyone. So today I'm doing a vlog. I'm not really doing anything exciting. I just decided to do a vlog. So I am gonna run a couple of errands. First, I'm gonna go to the bank, and then around 3 or 4, I'm gonna go pick up some groceries. We did curbside pickup for the first time, so we're gonna go, well, I'm gonna go and pick that up. But I did my makeup, not really sure how I like it. These lashes are like so hard to work with. So I'm just using this shirt that I got from Forever a while back when they were closing. I actually did a haul and figured out in that video that this is a kid's size, but it fits me and I think it's a large. Then I'm just wearing these like mom jeans that I got from Shein, which is crazy because I didn't think their jeans were gonna fit me, but they do. I'm gonna start getting ready to leave. What is happening with my hair? So I should have recorded this, but I forgot. It is 3:12 right now, and I went to Ralph's to pick up groceries. We did the curbside pickup for the first time, so I'm gonna see if everything arrived correctly. But not arrived, if everything was given to me correctly. I know that we only ordered 2 avocados, we got 3, so an extra, which is not bad. So it is a couple of days later. I don't know when I started recording. I'm going to run a couple more errands today. So I'm gonna go to UPS because I need to return this. I bought this from Amazon and it was working great, but then it stopped working. Luckily for Amazon, I'm able to return it without a box apparently, so I'm gonna return this. If I do need a box, I'm gonna take this just in case, but it kind of sucks that it stopped working. I bought my sister, my parents, and myself one, and mine stopped working within like a couple of weeks of using it, but they're gonna send me another one thanks to Amazon. Amazon is like amazing. They're letting me return this even though I used it, which is crazy, but it just stopped working and I was like, wow. Yesterday I got a heater. This is a portable heater and it's actually really cool because it has like an LED screen on it and you can pull this out, and it also comes with a remote. This is not sponsored, by the way. This is just really cool. You can just turn it on and you can set the temperature. So this is mostly a heater, but it's also a fan. Right now it's blowing hot air, and the highest I think it goes is like 93 or 90 something. So you can also set a timer right here, so you can do like an hour, 2 hours. And I think it's really cool. And then you can like change it to, I think this is super hot or super heat. Whoa, that's super hot. Or you can have the fan on and it just blows like regular air. Oh, and it also rotates. I never had one that rotated. Ignore that bag over there. And then you can put the remote over here. And you can close this if you want. If you guys are wondering, this is my, oh, my head hurts. I woke up with a headache today, which sucks. Just super casual. These leggings are the best. My mom gave it to me and they're so comfortable. So I ordered 2 things from Amazon. So I had this diffuser, but it stopped working like within a couple of weeks of using it. So luckily I just returned it from UPS and they sent me a new one super quickly, which is like amazing. It comes like this. You put water inside here, you put your essential oils. You can choose what type of light you want, or you can let it run like in a rainbow setting. And then the charger is right here. So I'm gonna plug this in a little bit, but I also want to show you something else that I bought as well. So I bought these foldable bins. I have some for my room and they're in the color beige. These are in gray. So I bought these bins for my sewing space. I needed storage to put my fabrics, and I was gonna get like a separate container, like a huge container to put my fabric in. And then I thought, why not just use like bins like the one I bought. That way you don't get to see like the mess or anything. I'll show you how I'm going to set it up. The ones I have is this one, so it's like a different color, as you can see. And I bought these, I don't even remember when, maybe like in 2018 or like 19. And I was looking at the reviews and they said that they changed their quality, but luckily they didn't change the gray ones. And it comes with this like little thing so you can place it on the bottom so it's more stable. And I bought these for around $18, and it comes with a pack of 6, so I'm not sure if that's like a good price or not, but I'm like super happy with them. I'm so glad that they didn't change the quality and the fabric they use, because I was nervous about that. So they look like that. Oh, my sister came. So this is where I'm gonna put it. I haven't put anything inside yet, so it's like my little section. This is some of the fabrics I have, and I have some stuff right here too. So I'm going to ask my dad to bring this one up, I think up to here, so there's more space to for these boxes. And then I'm going to ask my dad to lower this one maybe up to here, so it's not as high. But yeah, I'm super excited because I feel like this is like a clean look. I think I'm gonna leave this like that, maybe just organize it a little more. But I am super happy with how these boxes turned out. I'm gonna eat lunch now.
A vlog today?
Yeah, well, I started this like a couple weeks ago.
Same. I do that too.
I'm gonna eat now. This is what I'm eating. Everything all good. Heading back home. Hi, so as you saw, I went to Target to pick up a few things. I used the curbside pickup option just because right now there is a lot of cases in LA, and I just don't feel comfortable going to grocery stores. I'm utilizing the curbside pickup options. Luckily Target has it as well, so we got a few things, some canned food for the dogs and other stuff. I can't really remember what else we got. Today I really didn't do anything. I just got ready. I used new lashes. I talked about this, but I never uploaded the video because it was getting ready for Christmas Day and I was gonna upload it, but then I was like, nah, I didn't like how it came out. But let me show you. So from AliExpress, I bought 2 packs of eyelashes, 2 different sizes and different types from the same seller. In that video that I filmed but I'm probably never gonna upload because I didn't like how it came out, I used these lashes here. So in the past clips where you've seen like fake lashes, these are the ones that I've been using, and I was gonna use these again, like reuse the lash, but I only found one and I didn't want to like open a new one because I wanted to try these styles out, these ones, and I feel like I like these better. It is the ones I'm using right now. It was so much easier to put on than the previous ones. I was like, man, I suck at putting eyelashes on. I still suck, but I feel like they were easier to work with and they look a lot better than the ones I was using in past clips. But yeah, these are the ones that I put on, and I like them a lot more. Even though I thought they would look a lot more dramatic, I feel like these look a lot less dramatic than these, and these were easier to put on, and it's the ones I'm wearing right now. I didn't notice when I bought these that these are black bands and not clear ones, and I'm normally used to wearing the clear ones, and so I felt that that was the reason why I was struggling putting these lashes on, but these were a lot easier to put on, and these are black bands. I did order 3 sets of lashes from AliExpress a few weeks ago, and those are gonna be clear bands, so I wonder if they're gonna be easier to put on. So let me just hold them up so you can see, because I'm like picking one up and then picking the other one, and they might look the same. The one to the right is the less dramatic ones, but I feel like they were so hard to put on. And the one to the left is the one I'm using currently. Hello. I changed to a sweater. It actually has my school's name, so I don't think I'm going to show it. I'll cover it with my laptop. I'm freezing cold. But I'm gonna order some Domino's pizza. Oh, we get a free pizza. I think we only get a medium though. We usually get the extra large. Oh yay, they have the Curbside. I usually go to coupons, and they usually have the same coupons, and we get the extra large because we only get 1 pizza, and it's usually just enough for the 3 of us. So yeah, let me see if I could do Curbside. I thought it was Curbside, but right here it says Curbside. Hello, it is 8:35. I'm going to be ending the vlog here. I know the vlog was mixed with so many different days. It's just that like one day I would do something, the next 3 days I wouldn't. But yeah, thank you so much for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already and you want to do so, please do subscribe. And also, if you want to leave me video suggestions, leave them in the comment section so I know what you would like to see on my channel. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!